In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email sequence on Mailchimp, an essential skill for anyone looking to automate their email marketing efforts effectively. So, whether you're new to Mailchimp or brushing up on your skills, let's dive right in and ensure you master this process completely. To kick things off, you'll want to set up your automation. This means you'll be creating the backbone of your email sequence, setting the stage for seamless and timely communication with your audience. To do this, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the automation section. Here, you'll notice a variety of automation options tailored to different goals, like welcoming new contacts or following up on purchases. Choose the one that aligns with your objectives. This initial setup is crucial as it determines how your audience will interact with your email sequence right from the start. Next, we need to define the starting point of your sequence and add any necessary steps. The starting point acts as the trigger that initiates your email sequence, which could be a new subscriber joining your list or someone making a purchase. Once you've settled on the starting point, think about the flow of your communication. Consider what kind of content you'd like to share and map out the sequence of emails that will achieve your goals. In Mailchimp, you can simply add steps after your starting point to build out your entire sequence, ensuring a logical progression that maintains engagement with your audience. Now, let's move on to designing your emails. This is where you can get creative and reinforce your brand's voice. Mailchimp offers a range of templates and design tools to help you craft visually appealing emails that not only look good, but also resonate with your audience. As you design each email, keep your messages clear and focused, ensuring each email serves a purpose, whether it's informing, engaging, or persuading. Remember, your goal is to build a relationship with your audience, so personal touches and consistent branding go a long way. Once you've designed your emails and reviewed your sequence flow, it's time to finalize and activate your sequence. Carefully review all the details. Double check for any typos or errors, ensure your links are working, and verify that your sequence's timing aligns with your marketing strategy. After you've ensured everything is in order, you're ready to go live. Activate your email sequence by clicking the Activate button. Now your sequence is ready to work for you, engaging your audience automatically. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an email sequence on Mailchimp. By setting up automations, defining starting points, designing engaging emails, and activating with confidence, you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing. Thank you for watching and happy email marketing.